Number 1. Audi bike. The Audi e-bike is designed with a very lightweight, high power and nimbleness in mind. No doubt this is for BMX type stunts such as those seen in the video. So the Audi does not carry a heavy and cumbersome battery pack. The bike appears well balanced with most of the serious weight situated very low and centered in the frame. A built-in brake tail light in the back of the seat is a brilliant futuristic touch. The Audi e-bike also has LED light built in the front of the handlebar. The new Audi e-bike Werther C, built on motor racing design principles, has every possible gadget that you could ever need, just like a Formula 1 car. First, the most helpful feature is an electric motor to help rest those tired legs of the rider. Number 2. Citgo. The latest e-bike to enter the folding bike is the Citgo, which is like other models can be packed down into a more compact package for storage or carrying on public transport or in a car. But addition to regular households outlets, the Citgo can also be recharged through a car cigarette lighter socket. It consists of 180 volts brushless hub motor and a 36 volts lithium battery with a claimed top speed of 25 km per hour and range of 35 to 40 km. When it comes time to recharge, users can plug the Citgo directly into a regular wall socket at their home or office, or from the 12 volt cigarette lighter socket of their car if they are out and about, with charging time rated at 3 to 5 hours. Other thoughtful features include a 360-degree rotating smartphone holder mounted to the handlebars, a USB port for charging mobile. Number 3. Manta 5 Water Bicycle. This combination is impeccably tuned, striking a perfect balance between stability and maneuverability in all types of water terrain. Its foil-tipped design minimizes drag and extends effective wingspan, and rear wingspan measures 6.5 feet and front wing 4 feet, suitable for lakes, rivers, and the oceans. Number 4. Paravello Flying Bicycle. The Paravello can take off from any piece of open ground clear of obstruction. Once airborne, it flies at 25 miles per hour for up to 3 hours at a time. A built-in tent allows for long and makes possible flying and camping, or flamping as it has been dubbed, journeys. The Paravello takes off from any open space and reaches 4,000 feet. It travels at 15 miles per hour on land and 25 miles in the air. It folds small enough to store in house or office. Number 5. Urban GC1. This is the first bicycle made up of paper, metal, rubber, plastic and polystyrene that has all been recycled. Craft paper makes up the bulk of the structure, but it is not as flimsy as it sounds. The paper is pressed and compacted into individual panels that have been built to withstand a great amount of force. By combining hundreds of these panels together and adding a simple coat of recycled polystyrene paint, even the paint is ecological. This paper bike is completely waterproof and ready to handle. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Gadget City.